During the first few weeks of boot camp, I struggled to adjust to the new way of life. I was struggling to conform, to fit in, and to follow the rules. And he said, "Boss, I've been watching you. You're a real punk, you know that?" He said, "I want you to look at your shirt." I looked at my shirt. He said, "I want you to look at your pants." I looked at my pants. He said, "I want you to look at your boots." I looked at my boots. He said, "Now I want you to look to the man on your left." I looked. He said, "Look to the man on your right." I looked. He got in my face with his hot breath, and he said, "They've got the same shirt, pants, boots, and haircut as you. You're not special. What makes you special is what you do for that man on your left and that man on your right." That sent shockwaves through my body. And it was a day that I chose, once and for all, service before self. And it was the day that I actually became a contributing member of the U.S. Navy and a grateful citizen of the United States of America. So, to you citizens, if you want to honor the courage and commitment of veterans, I want to encourage you, as my drill instructor encouraged me, to do for those around you. It is service before self, where you will find true fulfillment and happiness. That is not a platitude meant to motivate you. It is a social, biological, and physiological fact. In service to others, we get to find out who we are and what we're capable of. Those who bring joy to others find joy themselves. Now to you veterans, thank you. Thank you for your protection of our way of life. Thank you for sacrificing your freedom so others can have theirs. Thank you for choosing to serve rather than be served. And thank you for those who paid the ultimate price. Thank you for your love. For greater love hath no man than this, that they give up their life for their friends. It is because of you that we have public roads, public schools, and a nation that is built by the people and for the people. It is because of you that we are not forced to live under tyrannical or totalitarian regimes. For your sacrifice, service, and love, we applaud you.
Pride in every American heart, that is time we stand and sit